Good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to tonight's weather report and forecast over Fanjuba, with a bit of moisture because of influence of the intertropical convergence zone over the northern parts of the country into our metropolitan areas such as Ruwa into Chitungwiza also received the bulk of the rainfall. To the northern parts, we had less rainfall, as well as the southern parts of Zimbabwe, where we had more of sunny conditions, but the influence of the ITCZ being felt over the northeastern parts of the country into our metropolitan as well as parts of Mashonaland East. This activity still remains over those northern parts of the country with isolated thunder showers, but for the rest of the country, we still urge you to keep hydrated because we're still expecting sunny conditions. In Madagascar, we still had tropical storm Fida making landfall over Madagascar, but over Zimbabwe, we've got less cloud over the south and more to the northern parts of the country. But we're still expecting an increase of that cloud cover as we get into the later parts of this week. For tonight, we're expecting mild conditions, but it should be hot by afternoon. Tomorrow, we were expecting brief cloudy periods over the northern part of the country, and as such, over Bulawayo, we're expecting more cloud as we get into the weekend and more isolated showers. Same for Matopo, more sunshine for much of this week, and for Gwanda as well. But for Monday and Tuesday next week, we're expecting more of the rain showers from the east. And for Masvingo, we're expecting more rain showers to drift into the eastern parts of that country, and also over Gweru, we're expecting more of the sunny skies for much of this week with more cloudy conditions into the weekend. Kwekwe also following suit with more cloudy projected from Saturday into Sunday, and for Kadoma, we're expecting more cloud and rainfall as we enter into Sunday and Monday. For Harare, we're expecting brief cloudy periods here and there, but more rainfall as we enter next week. Same for Chinhoyi, we're expecting moisture to drift in from the east, giving us thundery weather into the weekend. For Lupane, we're expecting generally sunny skies for much of this week, but for next week, more rain showers projected. Same for Victoria Falls, we're expecting brief cloudy periods here and there. So for those in the wetlands, we expect more rainfall in those areas. For Kariba, we're expecting a bit of thundery weather into Monday next week and a few isolated this week. For Marondera, we're expecting the same. We're expecting more sunny breaks during this week, but next week we're expecting more rain. For Nyanga, also over the Eastern Highlands, the rains should enter in much earlier, around Friday into Saturday. So we still urge you that when thunder rolls, it's best to be indoors. That's all for our weather and forecast. Been a pleasure, Zimbabwe. I'm James Koma Jr. for the Med Department.